religious
that is
places.
MHA guidelines, that is Delhi. So now with community transmission happening in Mungur Hill, I will appeal to our Archbishop. Hopefully today I will call him, and I will also give. He is very intelligent and a very honest person as far as our religious head is concerned. He will take the right decision. I don't think he will allow opening of the churches where there is a community transmission which has already happened in Mungur Hill. So he will still wait. No doubt MHA has given guidelines. He will still wait because he will not want anybody to point out fingers to the church, that church is the reason where people, all of a sudden it has opened now, people will just flock inside to pray. He will not want that reason to be for transmission of virus from one person to the another. I will request him that he needs also to take precautions. No doubt MHA has given clear guidelines to open the churches.
Same with the temples and churches.
Yeah, I will, whatever I can do, so I will speak. I will tell CM also to informally tell. We cannot tell them that you shut it down, but we can informally tell them that precautions needs to be taken.
So, but as far as state is also, state also has a powers as far as SOPs, certain changes.
No, if things go bad, state will change SOP. State can directly tell church, temple, mosque, Gurudwara not to open. But right now MHA has given guidelines to open. So state will directly not interfere and say shut it.
Request.
We can request, like how I told you, I will request the Archbishop to delay the opening of the church in Goa for general public. I'm talking about general public. It is because there is a transmission happening in Mungur Hill. Already there are people who are getting infected. There are other places now, the rains have just started. How the virus is going to react in these temperatures which have dropped in Goa. What we were having very hot weather, humid weather, now it has come down. So how it is going to react? So let us give some more time for reopening of these places, because people will just go. See, Sunday Mass people have not heard for last 3 months. People will just go in the church for the Sunday Mass. Even other days also, weekdays, Friday or Saturday. So people are free now. A lot of unemployed youth, boys and girls, people are jobless, so they will go to pray in church. So the best thing is to slightly delay this. And same way I feel that the temple heads should also reconsider looking at what has happened in Vasco. Slightly delay it, because we should not be the reason when things are happening here that let us start. People will just rush in. People will not wait. People will say that God will hear us if we go in the temple or church. I strongly believe in that also. But still we need to take more precautions on this.